Question 1. Explain what is Backbone.js. Answer. Backbone.js is a JavaScript client-side front-end framework which helps to organize your code and makes it easier to develop single-page applications. It allows you to structure JavaScript code in an MVC, model, view, controller fashion. Model. It is a part of your code that populates and retrieves the data. View. It is the HTML representation of this model. Controller. It enables you to save your JavaScript application via a hashbang URL. Question 2. What are the main components of Backbone.js? Answer. The main components of Backbone.js are model, view, collection, Ruta, event class object. Question 3. Explain what is Backbone.js collections. Answer. An ordered set of models are represented by Backbone.js collections. Any event in model will trigger an event in collection directly. For example, you can bind change event to be notified in a case when any model in the collection has been modified. Question 4. Explain what is Backbone.js Ruta is used for. Answer. Whenever an application wants to change their URL fragment in order to provide bookmarkable and shareable URLs for an Ajax-heavy application, Backbone.js Ruta is used. Question 5. What is Backbone Events? Answer. Backbone Events is a module that can be mixed into any object, giving the object the ability to bind and trigger custom-named events. Events are not declared before they are bound to any object. Events reflects the state of the model. Question 6. What are the key points of Backbone? Answer. It has hard dependency with _.js to make it more functional and supporting a range of useful collection-based operations with jQuery. It has a soft dependency. When the model changes, it can update the HTML of your application automatically. It uses client-side rendering framework or JavaScript templating to render HTML, which avoid you to embed HTML code inside JavaScript code for UI updates and DOM manipulation. If offers a significantly clean and elegant way. Question 7. Why you have to use Backbone? Advantages? Answer. By using JavaScript with the minimal set of data structuring, models and collections, and user interface views and URLs, it enables you to develop a web application. Backbone is best useful to develop MVC-like web applications, single-page web applications or complex JavaScript web applications in an organized and structured manner without JavaScript code mixing with HTML. Provides key-value binding and custom events. API with tons of functions. Robust event handling. API connection over a RESTful JSON interface. Question 8. What are the 3JS files that you require to set up a working environment for Backbone? Answer. You are required following 3JS files to set up a working environment for Backbone. jQuery, Backbone _ in your application. Put these files within JS folder and use it in your index.html page. Question 9. Explain when you require Backbone.js. Answer. Backbone.js is required in following condition. When developing a web application that requires a lot of JavaScript, it is required when you want to give structure to your code. If your application needs to be scalable, Backbone is useful when a web application has to work with jQuery to traverse the DOM or give animations. Question 10. Explain what is View in Backbone.js. Answer. Backbone View is a JavaScript object that manages a specific DOM element and descendants. Views are not HTML. It is a description of a model. The HTML code comes from templates, works with any template system. Question 11. Explain what is Backbone.js models. Answer. Backbone.js models are object and core of Backbone.js. It contains an array of attributes and listens for events. To represent your data, Backbone provides a model object. For example, you have a to-do list. You would have a model representing each item on that list. Question 12. Explain how you can use Backbone.js for multiple page web app. Answer. For multiple page web app in Backbone.js there are lots of consideration, but here are two which can be useful. Serving the page. In this, where you want to have your web server route everything to the server route everything to serve the same static page. That means that everything in http://wisdomjobs.com/will-serve/www/wisdomjobs.com/index.html. Once the static page is loaded, the JS on that page will decide what to do given the URL. Push state. You can still use Backbone routing to do your routing, but don't use hashbangs. This will allow you to navigate to URLs without actually needing a page refresh. Question 13. Explain what is model binder in Backbone.js. Answer. To make synchronization process of views and models together, model binder class is used. Question 14. What is the most powerful capabilities of the model binder? Answer. The most powerful capabilities of model binder class is that it enables you to define scope when you create your bindings using jQuery. If your views are simple, you can rely on default scoping rules that are based off of the HTML name attribute. You can define scoping with jQuery selectors if your views are complex. Question 15. Explain what is converter in Backbone.js. Answer. A function is called when model's attribute is copied to an HTML element or when an HTML element value is copied into a model's attribute. This function is referred as converter in Backbone.js.